Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a squared plus b squared is equal to z, and ab is equal to y. From this, we're asked to find which of the following is equivalent to 4z plus 8y, where we have these answers in terms of a and b. So rewriting, we have 4z plus 8y. Now the first thing we want to notice is that we have z here, so we can replace a squared plus b squared in for z because we're told that it's equal to z. So this is going to be 4 times z, so a squared plus b squared. We can do a similar thing here. ab is equal to y, so we can plug in ab right here and have 8ab. Now we can distribute. We get 4a squared plus 4b squared plus 8ab. Rearranging these, we have 4a squared plus 8ab plus 4b squared. And now we have to factor this, and what we can notice is we can first divide everything by 4. So we'll have 4 times, and then taking out the 4 leaves us with a squared, plus dividing 8 by 4 leaves us with 2ab, and then again plus b squared. And you'll probably notice now that this is equal to a plus b squared. So we notice 4 times a plus b squared is not any of these answers. So we have to convert this into 4 is 2 squared, and then it's times a plus b squared. And if you have one thing squared times another thing squared, you can multiply them 2 times ab and square the whole thing. And then you distribute within, and you get 2a plus 2b squared, and this is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.